Folks, today's vacuum on the show is the lovely Hoover Slimline in beautiful lime green color. And why do they call it slim? Well, you can see how slim it is. It's actually not a very good vacuum for on the floor with those terrible little wheels, one little tiny caster on the front and two stationary ones at the back. Pip seems to like it too. I don't really care for it. It's like pulling a brick around on the carpet. But anyways, we'll turn it on, get Pip out of the way.